Hey guys, good evening. So in this video, we are gonna break down NZD USD, New Zealand dollar, US dollar using multi-time frame approach. We will start with the higher time frames like monthly, weekly to find the directional bias, and then we will drop down to the daily chart to see where we can actually position ourselves. And then we will drop down to the intraday like 4 hour, 1 hour chart to fine tune our position. Perfect. So let's get started. So starting from the monthly time frame, price is rejecting from a really strong area of support, and currently it's trying to move higher from this level. It's a little long term. If we zoom in and focus on the recent structure, this is a really interesting key area that we can spot, and price is currently above it and rejecting from it in this monthly candle. We have 5 days left for this monthly candle to close, and the question is, can we expect this monthly candle to close as a bullish candle? Because it's the first candle after one, two, three, four consecutive bullish month. This is the first bearish month, and we have only 5 days left for this monthly candle to close. Can you expect this candle to close as a bullish candle, or we're just gonna see a little correction towards upside? Okay, let's drop down into the weekly chart and see what's going on over here. In the weekly time frame, everything is pretty bullish. Price is clearly in a textbook bullish trend, and after this impulsive move price corrected back all the way lower, and right now it's trying to make a new higher high. If we drop off Fibonacci on this impulsive move, this last impulsive move, price corrected all the way below 78.6 and a little lower, and right now it's rejecting from it and trying to make a new higher high. The last weekly candle is a bullish one, and we can expect price to clear this previous weekly high on the upcoming week. Dropping down into the daily time frame, there's a shift in the structure. There's the breakout structure that you can spot, and there's the last resistance key level turned into support, but right now it's failing, and right now price is below this level. And if we drop off Fibonacci on this impulsive move, price is right now correcting back, corrected after this impulsive move. Price corrected back all the way lower at 38.2, and right now it's rejecting from it from like on the last Friday candle. It's rejecting from it. Another thing that I can spot is we have a little fair value gap at around this level, so we can expect a little more downside correction too before a new higher high. Dropping down into the 4 hour chart, if we drop a Fibonacci on this one, price is standing and rejecting from 38.2. If we drop a Fibonacci on this one, price corrected all the way back like lower at 50%, which is lining up with this structural level, and right now price is rejecting from it, and this fair value gap is actually lining up with this key areas. So what we can expect from price at this point, we can expect price like as soon as the new weekly candle open, we can expect a little correction towards downside before making a new higher high, or we can expect a more deeper correction below this level and then a new higher high. So what we're going to do, we're just going to simply spot the price action, monitor the price action at around this level, and if we find any intraday structural shift in 1 hour, 1 or 4 hour, then we can actually position ourselves for a long trade. Dropping down into the hourly chart, I can spot price already made a structural shift, Price has already made a structural shift, and yes, we can expect a little more correction. And if we find any bullish like strength over at around this level, then we can position ourselves for a long targeting this high. And if this position fail, I'm completely fine with it. If I get stopped out and this one, I will again look for another re-entry opportunity or another setup at around this level. I will wait for another structural shift before getting involved into a position. So that's my views on NZD USD. And if you find this video helpful, drop a like and comment what's your views, what is your views on this pair, and I will definitely love to see what your views on this one. And I will see you soon on the next breakdown. Thank you. Have a great day.